Hi, in this video we are going to see what is CLR in C# language or common language runtime. But before that, we need to see what is .NET framework. So let's talk about .NET framework. So basically .NET framework is a software development framework which is created by Microsoft, and it contains several number of languages such as C#, F#, Visual Basics, and it also includes other features for like working with databases, creating user interfaces, managing security, and much more. So basically it allows developer to work at higher level of abstraction. So now before that we need to also clarify that what is a compiler. So compiler is a special program that translates source code written in a high language programming language into the machine code or any other programming language. So what is common language runtime now? So common language runtime is a programming execution environment that manages the execution of programs written in various .NET languages we have talked about in previous slides. And you can, I will just change the slide. Now from this image you can now get an idea like what is CLR. So basically when the source code is compiled into CIL code or this common intermediate language code, then CLR convert it to native code or machine code. From this you can get that what is a common language runtime. So basically it compiles from the code of all these language compiled code to the machine language code. Okay, thank you.